Look, we're both gone off camera.
Look at this. Look at this.
At once. What is it?
There you go.
Is it a Cleveland steamer?
It's a steamer, but it's not from Cleveland.
Not from Cleveland?
No.
The Flying Scotsman.
There you go. What is so special about this one?
I'm not sure. We sell hundreds of Flying Scotsman.
Well, this particular one is a live steam one. And you're going to open it up, and there's nothing in it because they're already taking it out.
Do you know what it says on it?
What's it say on it?
Let's go to overhead. Let's go to overhead.
What's it say?
It says, look at this. I'm going to zoom right in. It's blowing my mind.
Yeah. Go.
Steam generator.
Yes.
What are you talking about?
It generates steam.
Are you telling me that this chuff steam, chuff smoke?
I'm telling you
like that.
It makes steam.
Are we allowed to play with it?
Well,
are we going to play with it?
Do you want to play with it?
Yep.
Let me get some preparations over here.
Do you know what's really cool?
What's
it's
really
probably
cool?
On the overhead. People. Here we go. We're back. This is. We only had like X amount of these, right?
Yeah.
Let's say 12. This is the last one.
It is the last one.
Let's not break it. Because there's a good chance that it's going to sell very quickly.
Well, it's a good chance. Well, yeah, that's right. We better take care of it. Look at this little thing.
A turkey baster. What are you doing with that?
Well, I've got a really small turkey. No, this is... you almost got sucked in there, didn't you? Well, hang on. What am I doing there?
Would it be a chicken?
Chicken?
A small turkey.
There you go.
A duck.
So it comes with one of these.
Does it?
So this is
looks like a medical device.
It could be. So this goes up to 3 mil. So perfectly 3 mil, because this is what you use for filling up the engine. Okay, let's have a close look.
What do you mean filling?
Let's get the engine. Let's get the engine.
Does it come with coal? Do we need to get it warmed up?
It's got coal.
What have we got? Oof.
There it is.
You know you should be a hand model. Look at it. It's a beautiful thing.
Okay, so there's a Flying Scotsman.
It's a very Flying Scotsman.
And you can see it says Flying Scotsman right there.
So is this the first time ever that they've released a steam train that blows steam?
This is, well, this style of steam generator is all brand new. And when you see it, because you've never seen this, right?
Never.
I made sure you didn't see it. So this is the first time you're ever going to see this running.
We're going, I'm gonna wet myself. We're going to the train show on Sunday.
We are.
What's it called? Oops, I've broken the thingy. I've broken the turkey
That's the extra thinger.
I got excited.
All right, so
you put water near electricity and it's okay.
Yes. So this is creating the smoke.
I don't know that it is
from just water, because traditionally you'll put in either smoke oil. And if you do smoke oil, the oil goes everywhere. And it goes over the whole layout, goes over the train, and it just oils up everything. It looks terrible.
As opposed to just water.
That's right. And water is a new thing.
Fine with electricity.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Trust me, I'm a doctor. So, yeah.
Should you have put water in that?
Well, I've already loaded it up. So I've brought this to show you what you do.
Where does it go?
Okay, so you see this little point here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What little point?
So, let's get in there. Where are we?
We're there.
We're over here. Where are we?
We're
getting
here.
Closer? We're over there?
We're a bit fuzzy.
Over there? How about if we do this?
It's still fuzzy.
How's that?
Oh, that's crisp.
Is that sharp?
That's nice.
Right,
That's
so you
good.
might just be able to see inside the funnel there, but that doesn't go in there. So don't poke that in there. You're a bit eager, aren't you?
Oh, man.
So that is the smoke generator in there. Well, it's actually a vapor generator. There's an ultrasonic generator, and it's going to turn the water into vapor. Okay, this little bung here is where the water goes in. Okay, so that comes off, and that little thing goes in there.
Take it off. Show me the hole.
Well, it's pretty tight. There you go.
In here?
Yeah. So I've already preloaded. So you preload that with 3 mils.
So it doesn't squirt out, it doesn't spill.
That's right. So that seals it off. So that little bung there.
Are you supposed to empty it when you're not using it?
Oh, I don't know.
It's not that we've read the instructions.
It doesn't say anything about that.
Okay.
I would suggest it would be pretty hard to empty because that's pretty small. And you could see back then there was the water tension was holding it on. I would suggest probably leave the bung off it and let it evaporate off naturally, because it probably evaporates through here as well.
I was hoping that it went in here.
Ah.
And what I was pointing to then, people.
It was this back part of the tender, right?
Yeah, it was a little water flap here.
Right. No. So it's over here. So all the generation is here. 3 mils maximum into this point.
And that's what this holds.
That's right. 3 mils.
The pipette.
the pipette.
Oh, show me your pipette.
All right.
What do we do?
Well, this is a digital train.
Turn it on.
So that's why we've got it connected onto our digital.
I'm dying with anticipation. Turn it on. Put that on the camera so they can see what you're doing. Yes, the
How's
ECE power cab.
All right. So let me see if I'm doing it correct. I'm doing... Oh, and there he goes.
It steams straight away. Didn't just steam a little bit. Can you see that? Or is it just me? It doesn't look quite as impressive as on the top.
Well, how about we do it from the front too?
Well, that's
Can you sort of see it? Yeah, stand behind it. See that? You see it now, right?
No.
But that's not the most impressive bit.
What
I'm going to drive it.
Don't tell me it chugs.
Hang on. Where is it? Let's make sure it's gone the right way.
It really chugs. No. Shut the front gate. Look at it chug.
What do you think of that? Is that impressive or what?
That's changed my life.
It has, hasn't it? I told you it'll change your life.
This is how you should be playing toy trains.
And tell me how hot that is. Put your finger over it.
I'd say it's safe.
It's cold.
You're not going to burn yourself.
So that's just using an ultrasonic vapor generator.
Go faster.
Faster? Are you sure?
Yeah. I'll put my hand here, make sure you don't crash it.
How's that?
Go the other way, full steam.
Brakes on?
That's amazing.
Did you like that?
I love that.
All right, we're going to go forward now.
Go full steam. Let's see the steam go.
Full ball.
Go, chug, chug, chug. It's only got a little run up.
You like that? How good is it?
That is how you should be playing toy trains.
That's pretty impressive, isn't it? That's impressive.
If they do a Mallard, I'm in.
I'm sure they must be able to do it because this little system here, I don't think it takes much room. And these are huge engines.
Would they do it in 009?
Oh, I don't know. I think it would just be a matter of getting that fit in there, wouldn't it? Maybe you push these other buttons and see what happens. Can you see the firebox?
No.
That's bright, isn't it?
That's super bright.
So the firebox is on. It's a bit hard to show everyone, but that's super bright.
I'm gonna.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna try and tip it up and not break it.
Hang on. Let me get this focused. Oh, I can sort of see it there. Let me just change the camera.
You change the camera.
Can you sort of see it?
Don't let Hornby Australia see what I'm doing to their train.
Is it still on? Trying to focus that.
Get
it's
focused.
hard, isn't it?
Not focusing. Anyway.
It's a bit hard to see, but it is pretty bright.
It is super bright. I don't recommend that you tip your train up at 45-degree angles. The foamers will be upset with me, won't they? They'll say,
what are these other buttons going to do?
This is amazing, Paige.
How's that?
You've changed my life.
Oh, what's going on there? What's this button do?
Right, we've broken it.
Am I letting it all out?
Maybe that's the shutdown button. Not sure what you're doing, but it's making lots of noise. This is amazing.
How good is it?
No wonder that people wanted them so much.
Yeah.
Bloody noisy, isn't it?
But when you see it going, that's impressive, isn't it? I'll take it down to the back to where your hand is.
I'm just putting it here so you don't crash it.
All right.
Are you going to get a run up?
Yeah. Let's go, eh? Ready?
Yeah. Full speed.
It's going. How good is it?
We could play for this for weeks.
I have to put on the emergency brake soon.
It's still not. It's still making all that noise. You know how long the show's going to be today, don't you? It's going to be
there you go.
It's going to be 2 hours and 45 minutes.
How good is it?
It's us playing trains for half an hour.
I want to do it again. Can I do it again?
Why not? This is out of. That's a lot of steam,
isn't it?
And it's not and it's safe. It's not hot.
It's cold. It's cold vapor.
How good
is it?
I don't even have to make noise anymore. So I got it.
You got it? All right, we'll just do one more.
It's probably still wheel spinning though. Here we go. One more pass.
Yeah, one more pass. Got to do it.
Right, crank it up to.
We've got it at full bore now.
Go, 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 baby, go, go.
Yeah, is it?
Oh. Oh.
Pretty good.
Oh. That's exciting.
Pretty good, eh?
Thunder Turbine is losing his mind now.
Probably. Isn't he? I don't even know what he's on.
He'd be losing his mind.
But how good is that?
When he watches it back.
I think that's good. Yeah, change your life.
It's all over very quickly, isn't it?
Isn't it?
It's all over very quickly.
It's all over Red Rover. All right. Woo! How good was that? How good was that? Did you enjoy that?
More than you'll ever know.
More than I'll ever know. There you go.
More than you'll ever know.
Pretty special.
I'm gonna give up RC.
Are you?
Yep. You heard it here first. I'm gonna play with